Hello guys, you're welcome to my official YouTube channel. My name is Nsikak and I make videos on how to make money online. So it's been a while and I sincerely apologize for taking that long, right? I got some stuff I had to work on, right? So if you're here for the first time, I make videos on how to make money online, and I would like you to do me a favor by liking, subscribing, and turning on the bell icon so that whenever I drop important content, you'll be among the first persons to take part in it. Alright? So in today's video, I have a very important update that will definitely put money in your pocket, no matter how it is. And guess what? It is totally free. It is free. Alright? So if you've been struggling to make money online, this is definitely a good one for you to start with. Okay, so without wasting time, let's dive into the sub. Okay guys, so here is the app. Here's the app, and the way this one works is you don't have to do anything. You literally don't have to do anything. It is a kind of robot that all you have to do is to log in, and then you you will receive um 2.2 $8 every single day you log in your app, right? So perhaps you want to earn big, right? You can, that's when you can decide to pay for it, right? But in case you don't have money and you can afford to pay, then you can be mining it just like that. You can be receiving your $2.80 every single day. But then the only disadvantage about this free stuff is you will need to wait for 71 days before you can withdraw. Alright, but if you want to start withdrawing as soon as possible, then you will have to, invest. You can see there are different packages. These are the packages that you can go for and start withdrawing as soon as possible. But then there's a way out. Alright, there's a way out, and then you don't have to pay, but you will need to invite about 3 persons. When you invite these 3 persons, the company is going to give you $20 to $260 depending, right? $20 to $260 depending on their terms and conditions, right? But that's how it works. If you want to start withdrawing your money instantly, you have to invite only 3 persons. Guys, this is not hard. This is not hard. You can send it to your family and friends. You won't tell me that you don't have up to 3 brothers or sisters, or you don't have close relatives that you can just send it to. It's totally free. They don't have to put money, alright? So you can actually send it to your people, and then tell them to sign up, and they must verify the account before you can be credited. They must verify the account. What I mean is, when you sign up, this is how it will appear. This is how the interface will look like, alright? And then all you have to do is to click on where you see the wallet sign. Click on it. When you click on it, it will appear like this, okay? But then where you are seeing verified, what will appear there is unverified. So all you have to do is to click on that unverified. It will take you to an interface where you need to you know put in your your certifications, right? Your It could be your NIN, it could be your voters card. I mean, your means of identification, right? To verify, right? When you put in your means of identification, that's when they're gonna give you $2.08 for signing up. That one is more like a sign up bonus. When you sign up and verify, they're gonna give you $2.80. Okay, so this is my earnings. I just started this 2 days ago, right? It's not even up to a week, right? So this is what I've earned so far, and if I don't want to invest, if I don't want to put any money, I'll have to wait till 71 days, or I invite 3 persons. If I invite 3 persons, they're gonna give me $20 to $260, which I can as well use it to purchase one of the robots which will enable me to start earning high and withdrawing anytime. Okay, so that is how it works, and I guess you can do this. Can definitely do this, right? So, like I say, when you click on this, when you get to this interface, what will appear where you're saying verified is unverified. So all you have to do is to click on that unverified. It will take you to another interface where you need to put in your means of identification. After doing that, you have to wait for like a couple of hours, then you get verified. After you've been verified, they're gonna give you $2.80, and after that, every single day you log in, you're gonna be receiving $2.80 free, right? Guys, you can do this totally free. Okay, so that's how it works, and I guess you can send this to your friends, send this to your family members, so that you can you know start earning big. Okay, these are their packages. Okay, just scroll down, you see there are different packages. There are different packages, all right? So I believe you can do this. There's no how you will tell me that you don't have family members that you can send your link to, and then they'll help you promote it, sign up, and the good part of it is that if the people you refer happen to purchase any of these packages, you're gonna be given a very huge amount of money. You're gonna be given a very huge coupon, right? So the more you put in the work, the more chances of earning big in this platform. So many people have cashed out. I didn't get this on time. If not, by now I will be showing you my withdrawal, because I've seen people withdraw. Okay, so it's not some kind of shitty stuff. You don't have to worry about all those shit. This one is kind of legit. So you don't have to worry. All you have to do is give it a try, right? Give it a try. Okay, so having said that, please, if you've not liked, subscribe and turn on the bell icon, please do so, right? By doing so, it will give you motivation to make research and give you good content that will definitely put money in your pocket. Don't forget, December is by the corner, right? We all are looking out for how to raise money and take care of our families, take care of our loved ones, and you know flex our lives. So guys, that's how it works. That's how it works. These are the packages. If you want to buy, all you have to do is just click on this and then follow the due process, and it will be your money will be credited instantly, and then you start earning your money every single day. Okay, so if you are finding it difficult to refer people, let's say you don't have anybody, you don't have any brother, you don't have any sister, you don't have any uncle, you don't have anybody in your family, you are not related to anybody, please just go to Facebook, right? Just go to Facebook and join groups, join groups on Facebook and advertise it. But before then, make sure you've started earning, so that you can screenshot your earning and show it as a proof, so that you will attract people. Okay, make sure you join groups and promote it. There's no how you promote it to 5 to 10 groups that at least 5 persons will not sign up through your link. You can do this. Okay, you can definitely do this. So please try as much as you can to take it seriously, because if you do, you'll be glad you watch this video, you come across this. Okay, so guys, I really appreciate, and I'm sure you definitely do it. I know there are a whole lot of scams out there. There are a whole lot of stuff that will waste your time and your data and everything, and at the end of the day you won't earn anything. But it doesn't mean you stop trying, guys. Okay, if you are looking for ways to raise money, you definitely have to try stuff. Okay, some will work, some will not work, but the main thing is keep trying. You can never lose. You can never lose. As soon as much as you keep trying, right? It is not the number of times you fail that count. It is that one success. It is that one success that counts. Okay, So if you've been failing, you've been struggling, you've been getting disappointed, don't worry, guys. Keep trying. Keep trying. I know you must have had some, you must have had that one thing that you want to do with money, but then you don't have money to do it. Then you just have to try. You just have to put your hands in some kind of free stuff. You can't afford to steal. You can't afford to, do some crappy stuff just to make money. You definitely have to try some free stuff till you're able to raise money. Okay. So guys, thanks a lot, and I do appreciate if you've watched this video to this point. I really appreciate, and I believe and I hope that you won't just watch it and discard it. I believe you will, you know, take it into take it into action. Share this video to your friends. Share it to your to your loved ones. Let them partake, and make sure you give them your referral link. Give them you know your your coupon code so that when they sign up, you're gonna get some stuff. All right, you're gonna get some stuff. So let me show you something. This is your ID. Okay, this is your ID, and then okay, this is your referral ID, and this is where you get your referral link. In case you didn't get it, let me go back. So when you click on these three dotted lines by your right, sorry, by your left, you come down to where you see team, where you see this team, right? You click on team. You click on team here. It will appear like this. You can see your your referral ID, and below it you see your referral link. So all you have to do is to click on it. It will copy, and then you can send it to your family and friends, your loved ones, so that they can sign up and you stand a chance to win a coupon that will enable you to make good money. Right? So guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting and creative videos. Right? If you've not signed up, please do me a favor. Make sure you sign up, turn the bell icon, leave me a comment, let me know whatever that's a challenge. Right? And do so to do well to send these videos, share these videos to your friends, share it on in your groups, your timeline, or whatever, so that as more people are seeing it, more people are making money through you, right? And they are signing up through your referral link. Thanks a lot.